A few of you said make sure no ghosts follow you. Oh, fuck. I think it's haunted here. You're okay. And you're okay. Needs a lift kit.
What year's yours?
We're about to head out to Proctor Valley. We're gonna check whose vehicle's haunted. Ivan's good, not haunted.
That's good.
Javi Wasabi's van, not haunted.
That's good.
Dylan's van, he wants to lift it. That's what I like to hear. Not haunted. Ryan's van, not haunted. Arthur's van, not haunted. We always have a non-van at one of these meets. Don's Jeep. His van's down right now, so he took his Jeep, and he's not haunted. Needs a lift kit. Proctor Valley meet. We're at the most haunted road in California. This is the monster tree. What's the monster tree? The story of this tree is there was a couple, they had car problems, so they pulled over under this tree. The boyfriend was trying to figure out what was wrong with the car. Then the girlfriend was hearing scraping on the roof. But the boyfriend hung upside down, and the scraping on the roof was his hands scraping on the roof of the car to see if we get any paranormal activity. Looks fine. No paranormal activity with this tree. How about this happy log? Nothing.
And they're nice and double.
Arthur's running the Vantage optic lights.
They're worth it. Oh, definitely. Yeah.
You heard him in the back. He said they're worth it. Yo, Javier, isn't it true that a lot of us cheap out on freaking lighting? Not this guy. I got the LED bulbs. They don't work that well. I gotta roll off-road lights when I'm in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, the back? Yeah.
Raptor grills on the older and newer body style. Okay, everyone took off. Let's see if we get any activity now that it's getting dark. There you go. Still at Proctor Valley. Is this the demon car? Just a Toyota. One more task. Let's see if the demon car follows us out of here. The shopping center with the El Picador food market is haunted. My van's okay. No ghosts followed me home.